In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on your Wix website. Full 2020 tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Wix dashboard to connect PayPal and set up manual payment options so customers can check out smoothly. Start by signing into your Wix account and opening your site's dashboard. Head to the Setup section. That's your central checklist for getting a site ready to sell. From there, select Getting Paid. This is where Wix groups all your payment options so you can quickly connect what you need. Choose Connect Payment Method to see what's available in your region. First, click PayPal. This adds a trusted, widely recognized option your customers already know, and it's one of the easiest ways to start accepting online payments. After that, you'll also set up manual payments, which let customers pay you outside of Wix, perfect for cash, bank transfers, or local arrangements. Click Manual Payments, then click Connect. You'll now choose a manual payment type. Open the highlighted selector and pick Cash Payment to support in-person cash collection. Open the highlighted selector again and choose Offline Payment, which works well for bank transfers or checks. Open the highlighted selector again and choose Cash on Delivery for orders paid at the time of delivery. Open the highlighted selector once more and choose Manual Payment, which lets you customize the label and details to match how you want customers to pay. In the highlighted text area, type clear checkout instructions customers will see when they choose that method. Be specific about what happens next. For example, where to send a transfer, how soon payment is due, and how you'll confirm the order. Keep it concise and make sure it matches your policies, shipping timelines, and any regional requirements. When your details look good, click Connect to save this manual payment method. You'll see a confirmation that manual payments are connected, along with a prompt to upgrade your site. Click the highlighted upgrade prompt to review plans. An upgrade is required to accept payments on a live site, so pick the plan that fits your business and publish when you're ready. A few quick tips before you go live. Double-check your store currency, shipping and tax settings so totals at checkout are accurate.